replaced that heart, so hopefully things will be good for John. But he's gonna need to go through some, post-op rehab. So hopefully things will go good for him. And
Doctor!
yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, hey.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
It's okay.
But you saved my life.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay.
No.
It's alright.
You saved my life.
It's my job. It's my job. Don't forget these guys. They helped. I could have done without them.
You too. And you helped.
Okay.
And you still help me more. Son.
It's my job. It's my job.
Can we get a picture of like the whole staff that actually saved?
Sure. Hey, I got a great idea. Let me just grab his broken heart first, too.
Let's not forget what got you in trouble in the first place.
I was just trying to thank her.
I think she understands.
Hey, let's get this with you guys, huh? Come on. This has been a long 3 days. Oh, jeez. Oh, we're going to get this picture over here.